Hi guys, another ink and water illustration today. Hi Kashi, first person to join in. We should be waiting for maybe another few people to come in. I hope all of you are following the paintings I've been putting up, the lives that we've been doing of late, and the IGTV videos that I've been putting up. Please do that, guys. Do follow and tell your friends. We request you all to just take 2 minutes, repost any of our posts on your stories. Please help share. That's how people are going to come to know about us as well, because and that inspires us to do more lives and more good work. So please do that. We're going to do another ink and water illustration today. This painting I found on Pinterest and I thought it's really pretty and it's new. So I'll just begin in maybe 2 minutes or so. Just a request again, guys, please you can just let your friends know that we are online, we are doing lives. Hello Crafty Corner, thank you Rutuja. Size of the paper needed, I assume. So I'm doing only A5 size papers lives of late because it's not getting over otherwise, and it gets too much to finish in A4 size. So I take the A4 and just divide it into two, and you can take a small piece of paper. So hope everybody's having had a good day and the week started well. Is everybody ready? Is anybody painting along today? Anybody else who's painting along today? This is the artwork that I'm planning to make today. Of course, I'll modify a little bit depending on the time that I have, and we might slightly make it simpler. Let's see how it turns out to be. So this is what I'm going to be making, guys, today. Hello Jyoti. Okay, all good, everybody's good. So let me just put it on the tripod and let's see how it turns out. Yeah. Thank you. If it's too loud, then please let me know in case the audio is I will, of course, we always try to record the videos, but it's not always guaranteed, we always try to record all our videos, but even the internet is not sure on our side. Okay, is the video audio all clear, guys? Can somebody just let me know, audio video all okay? Alright, Kashmir. So guys, let's begin. Let's not waste too much time. Again, this has a lot of work. In between I will try to see the comments, but just let me begin with the artwork first. So I'm doing directly with the pen because it's okay, it doesn't have to be exactly the same, but first you just make a crystal, and I know how crystals are, so they need to have very defined borders. Okay, so that's very important when you draw them. Okay, they need to have good enough defined borders. Again, I'm repeating, it doesn't have to be exactly like this. The important is the effect that's going to come in of the stone, the diamond points, or whichever stone this is. This is the amethyst probably. But this is an illustration, so we're not going to be making exact shapes and sizes, okay? So you all can start drawing with me. I'm just making the rough shape right now. I'm not going into the details. The details will come in as we draw. And even if they don't come accurate, that's perfectly fine. Okay, so you guys saw I started just giving a little 3D effect by making double lines. So you all can also start doing that. Okay, we try and build a 3-dimensional figure as looking 3-dimensional as we can. So more than one perspective needs to come in. Okay, so you can draw a basic triangle and then just give a little, edges, a little side. That's perfectly fine. I hope you all saw that I'm not even trying now to follow the exact pattern. I'm just getting approximate shapes. Yeah, so just this way you try and get some effect of the stone. All the dark markings and the effect of the stone where it's becoming thicker, we'll do it once the color is done. Hello Swati. Hello Pitara. Guys, please tell your friends also. It's going to be a fun session. Are we all good? Anybody, any questions with the crystal so far? Something you did not understand? Like I said, you don't need to go in for accuracy, you just need to give the effect that it's a crystal. Hello Anjali. Hi Devanshi. Hello Lasya. So we are doing crystals. I'll just repeat what we're doing. We're doing crystals and flowers, ink and watercolor illustration. This is the image that we are doing. Okay, just drawing the crystals right now. It doesn't have to be exactly like this. You can just make some random figures also, make an outline and then just break them into different segments, because crystals have many faces. Okay, so that's what we're trying to do. Hello Arpu. Okay, so first I've just drawn the crystals and I start drawing the flowers. Okay, anybody, any questions? Do you all want me to wait or can I proceed? And is the sound too much, then please tell me, then I'll reduce the volume because I cannot hear it. I didn't get you, Anjali. What have you never done? Okay, Kashmir, we'll just wait for 2 minutes. Let everybody draw the crystals. And then we start with the flowers. I hope you all have been seeing the lives that we are putting up and seeing the IGTV videos. And guys, please, again, it's a request from our side, do share on your pages, tag us, put it in your stories. Sure, please do try. And if you all have any requests or something that you all think I should do on the live, let me know so that I can plan the lives accordingly. If you'll have any suggestions on the paintings, on any workshops, anything, please feel free to interact. Okay, we'll take 1 more minute, guys, for the crystal drawing, then I'll start with the flowers. Okay, 1 more minute. I am using a regular paper actually. It's nothing too thick, but I have this paper called the Artist Pro series, which I've ordered from Amazon, which is quite good for the lives actually. Alright. Landscapes, we have done a couple actually already. Maybe you can see the IGTVs and see, you'll figure out, because we have done a few already. Let's see. Okay, anyways, now let me begin with the flowers. Sorry. So what you do is take the stem a little away draw 2 lines. Okay, and then start making these petals how a flower would be approximately. Okay, again, this is not a perfect flower, it's an illustration, so it's okay if your flower doesn't look exactly like it, it's perfectly fine. The colors are going to make the entire painting look completely different altogether. Okay, I can't see the comments now for 2 minutes till I'm drawing. Whenever I stop drawing, guys, I see the comments at that time. Okay, so just see how I'm drawing the flowers. You can also approximately draw them that way. Okay, urban sketches are something I really love, so let's see if I do a live on that, because that's something I really love doing. Alright, so you all saw this flower. Now let's start the top flower. Okay, whenever you're doing, now see, I have not overlapped it here. Okay, so I'm not going to overlap it, I'm just going to make. What you can do, if you're not comfortable, you can draw in pencil first and then do it, or you can just start making petals like this, that's overlapping each other and going down 1 or 2 petals up, and then mark this circle. Okay, so you have an idea that this is where your flower needs to be. You need to always make the petals a little up and down, little overlapping, some a little bigger, some a little smaller, and twisting here and there. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, this is an aster, but not very certain. I am using a regular paper, but you can use a watercolor paper, or you can use a cartridge paper also, since it's not going to be too much of color. Okay, so you guys saw how I made this flower. Any questions so far, guys? Another 5 minutes I need to finish this sketch, so then we can start with the coloring, because the coloring is the main part in this. Yes, you can use the sketchbook. I'm using, which I always do, a Brushtro fine liner pen. This is a waterproof pen. So you can use any, and you can use Micron, you can use Brushtro, you can use Uniball. Whatever is not going to smudge with water, you can use that. Alright, let's begin with some flowers. So these are just keep drawing because I can stand and do these simultaneously. Make some buds. I won't be drawing the same number of flowers probably. Maybe if I get time in the end, I feel, then I'll add them. Okay. Anybody painting along with me? Yes, Rasya, urban sketching I will plan a live for sure, because that's something I really enjoy also doing. Okay, so you all can see how I'm drawing the petals. Kashvi is drawing. Anybody else who's drawing? Okay. Whenever you're going away, you need to take the petals a little in that direction. Okay, so you see how my petals are going. And this is, I'm just trying to teach you as much as I can. In the workshop we go much more in detail, of course. The stem. Hello PU. Kashfi is the young celebrity. everybody knows kar. Hello doctor, welcome. Yeah, so far everybody's on par. Just making some 1 or 2 more flowers and then we'll start with the coloring, okay? If you can overlap, try to overlap the flowers so it looks more natural. So we are planning to come live every Thursday and every Monday. That's what we've decided. Either 9 PM or 9:30 PM or one of the two. Hope everybody's enjoying, because that's pretty much finishing my sketch. Okay, I will start coloring now. Yes, and tell your friends also. Hello Vidhi, good to see you here today. Are your daughters painting today? Is your daughter painting today? Are you painting? Two more minutes, guys. We'll be waiting for 2 more minutes. Then I'll start with the painting. Okay, we're done with this sketch. Anybody has any questions in the sketch? Guys, please do tell your friends that we are live. You can just put up a small story post. Thank you, Anjali. You can put up a small post or a story that we are live and that we are planning to come live every Monday and Thursday. I'm damn good, Vidhi. Thank you, Ashna. Thank you, doctor. I hope the colors make it look better. Okay, 1 more minute, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for encouraging so much, doctor. All right. Thank you, Rutuja. I think let's begin with the coloring now. So whenever we're doing crystals or gems or whatever, any glass-like surface, okay, the idea is that the reflection of light is very, very important. Okay, we need to get the reflection of light correct. So some areas you need to make light and some areas you need to make dark. That's the basic logic behind this. So let's see how it turns up. I'm also painting them for the first time. Let's see how they turn. I'm using crimson, purple mainly, and a little bit of Prussian blue. And I'll just do the yellows first for these flowers, so that once they dry, I can put the dots on them. So first, I'm taking the lemon yellow, and I'm just putting the lemon yellow here, because we're going to be putting dots all over. Okay, so since by the time this dries, I get that option. The petals are going to have very little color. They're going to have some more pen marks. Those I'm doing in the end to see where all I think it's required. Okay, I'm not doing them now. If you all are not comfortable or doing it for the first time, you can try with the smaller flowers so you get some hang on the color. Okay, on how watercolors work. So take a little color, a little water, and then just spread it on. Okay, this is just to show, but if you all have already done lives with me, you already know that this is very easy so far. You all can start with the crystal as well. So you saw the shading that I'm giving in. Okay, so with watercolors, the whole effect, the whole game is in the water and the amount of color that you use. Okay. I'm just doing the sides first so that everybody has an idea of what we're doing, and if anybody wants to join the live also, they get the chance to see the main part. Here I'm using only crimson. As you see, I'm not coloring everywhere, okay? I'm just leaving some spaces blank also. Chart paper I would not personally recommend, but you can use. I missed one comment from Anjali. I can't see what it is. Yes, watercolor pencils will work perfectly fine. In fact, any painting that you want to do which has shades, pencil colors do beautifully well. Hello, aggressive luck. So I don't know your name actually. You know, I don't know your name, aggressive luck. Okay, that's lucky, I guess. So I did try to search for your profile, but I didn't get across it. So then, or maybe next time whenever I see you. Okay, just doing the side colors. Yeah, now let's start with the main thing. Let's start with the crystals. So again, I'm saying I'm using crimson purple, which is crimson plus Prussian blue, or you have ready purple, you can use ready purple, and Prussian blue. These are the main colors I'm using. So supposing I've kept this side light, okay, then I need to keep this side light only. I need to understand where the light is coming from for that particular area. Use 2-3 colors together at the same time and blend it out. That's the most important thing. Blend it out. You can add the darkness in the next layer. But to get the mirroring effect, the colors need to be really blended well. Okay, so like this here, I'm just putting a little color, and with the water, I'm just smudging the area. And you see, I'm just smudging the area. Now this is not dark, this will be darkened in the next layer. Okay, once this is dried, then we give the details. But your base colors need to be there in the first coat. I'm taking a little purple. very light water. I have a little black in this just to give it more glassy effect. Okay. You saw how I left the space in between, so this looks like there is a reflection. Hello Shoan. Okay. You guys can leave some spaces in between also, like there are some scratches. Again, I'm repeating, the colors will not be exactly like the photograph because that's very difficult to replicate entirely, but it will look similar. I'll just see the comments. You see how I use the water to blend it out. Thank you, Shuad. I hope the end result is going to look much more prettier than what it is looking now. Okay. See how my brush is moving? These strokes give the effect of glass and some scratches. Remember to keep some empty spaces in between. The brand I have of paper is this one. Okay. Ideally, you should use watercolor paper. So now this crystal in the center, I'll make it darker. Make it a little blue and violet, make it a little more violet. Because it's overlapping, so we get some shades darker automatically in the beginning itself. Now this is drying, so I can just add a little darkness here. I hope you all can see that by adding the little darkness, suddenly this is standing out more. Yes, color is adding the definition. The color is now going to add the definition. you saw. Now even the pen lines, I need to darken them to improve the effect, but that I will do in the end for this painting particularly. Okay, thanks Shashank, thanks Kashvi, thank you doctor. Okay, a little blue on the front crystal. You all can change the colors, okay? You all don't need to follow exactly these colors. But it is just to give you an idea that when we start developing the layers, the effect is going to be completely different from what we start. So you can see the effect here. It's more diamondy kind of an effect that I'm giving. Taking a little blue. I'm just making this crystal a little more bluish compared to the original one to show you the difference. So you all see this is not like the original one. Just wanted to show you all how it looks. Kashi better today I won't be able to take you online. Next time I'll try. You all see the white spaces I've left in this one compared to the others. So this crystal looks lighter than the other ones automatically and much more bluer. I repeat, we still have backgrounds and this crystals and then the pen work left to do. Let me proceed with that now. If anybody has any questions, please ask me now before I proceed. Thanks, Vidhi. Okay, so as you can see, I'm making this crystal much more darker because they're in, they're adding contrast to the other lighter crystals. So we need to take care of that accordingly. Which color am I using? I told you I'm using crimson, I'm using blue, Prussian blue, and some little cobalt blue in between actually. Hello, Creative Dream. You all can change the color of the crystals, that's completely up to you all. I am using Faber-Castell colors. I use Faber-Castell or Camel, both of them work. So it depends on where the light is getting colored. Here I have Faber-Castell colors are outside in the palette, so I'm just using those. Honestly, you can use any brand. I hope the crystals are now looking much more alive than what we started with. Again, I'll add the depth once this dries a little, because the pen is also going to give a lot of effect. I've sketched the whole thing. It's been done in the live, so if you all see the IGTV, it's done from scratch with the pen directly. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, Rutuja. Still a lot of work left. There's no print, I've sketched the whole thing. Okay, here I'm making a much more crimson kind of a crystal. Thank you, Murobi. Please tell your friends. And doctor, I still have to contact you tomorrow. Please message me before I forget. Okay, now this is in the front, so I'll keep it much more lighter. So watercolors are my favorite medium to work with, and ink and watercolors is something that I am discovering to be something I'm very passionate about. So, what do you guys say? Has anybody been following the posts that I've been doing, the doodle wash challenges? Thanks, Channi. Channi is my wife, and she's been very supportive. I'm eating away her time. All okay so far? Any questions? Any questions so far, guys? Or are we good so far? So I have experimented with a lot of mediums. I like acrylics as well. I started with oils actually, but I realized that I don't have the patience for the oils. So I do good oils, but I don't think I'll ever probably do an oil unless it's on commissioned order. Now you can see I'm just adding a little crimson and a little purple in between. This is just to give some depth to the painting, okay? You can take another color also. There is no need to do only this, but by giving a little depth, you get more effect. So oils, that's what I'm saying. The oils, the biggest problem is the time. My god, they take ages to dry. all okay till here now, guys. Now we start with the pen work. Another 10 minutes, I hope we will get a even much more better effect. I just wait for 2 minutes for this to dry a little, and then with the pen you will see a lot of change coming in. Thanks, Vidhi. Please repost on your pages. Please do that. Very important to us. Thanks, Devanshi. Thank you. Still we got work to do. So please wait. Okay, I got a call. I'm sorry about that. Is the live still on? Can somebody just let me know if the audio video is still on? Okay. Let's begin with. I forgot to do the call forwarding, guys. Today, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm taking a thicker pen first, and we'll start. So what you do is you give the effect of the petals going up. Okay, as if there are some borders everywhere. Give some shadows and start doing the dots. Keep it as close as you can. Now 2 minutes, guys. I'm not going to be seeing the comments. Let me finish some of this. Okay. Then you take a smaller pen and you start introducing stuff in the petals and the stem. Make some petal darker, put some strokes. You'll see the difference in the flower in just 2 minutes. Did you all see the difference in the flower? See this and see this. Is there a difference? Or still looking the same? So you also, just by putting a little details in the flowers, suddenly the flowers will look much more alive. Okay, same thing, the crystals also need to be done. So like I said, that is why I said that this sketch we'll have to wait, we'll have to finish the coloring and then proceed with the next step. Yes, now the depth in the painting is coming exactly. So, it depends on whether you're doing it with layering, you're doing it with the pen. Every painting has its own uniqueness. Just give me 1 second, guys. Chani, can you do me a favor? If you're there, can you message Akash to call me later, please? Okay. Just give me 1 second, guys. I'll just be back. Sorry, I'm back. So where was I? Yeah, so I had to do the flowers. Sorry, my cousin was calling and then the phone was getting cut. So just by putting a little depth in the petals, you start seeing a lot of changes in the drawing. So I just want to ask, does the background music help in the live? Or is it too loud? Or it's not heard? Feedback helps us, so just asking. Kashi, but I didn't understand really. Okay, let's now start with the crystals first. Okay, you all saw that I just did the flowers yet. Now let's start with the crystals. Okay, so whenever you're doing the crystals, you're going to make all the edges really much more prominent. Okay, and the vertexes or the points where they meet, you're going to give the effect of this. You saw this, how this depth has come in, and you're actually going to redo the lines. So you all will just see in 2 minutes the changes in the entire drawing. Okay, you can see how now by building each and every point, this is going to look even much more concentrated. Especially see the angles. Okay, you'll need to see the angles which I'm developing. Brushstroke technical. Thank you, doctor. You're just helping me a lot by answering all the questions. So what I'm doing is, by the pen, using the pen, I'm giving the effect of the shadow and the faults in the crystals. Yeah, can you all see the difference from what it was to what it is? Hi Shraddha, that's my cousin, guys. Unfortunately, she's busy with her son's admissions, so she's not able to contribute. Okay, a little shadow. You can actually give this blend also with the pen like this. I will save the live if Instagram allows me to. I always save all my lives if Instagram allows me to. But you all have to promise me to please repost this live on your stories. Because I think it's come up pretty decently, yeah? Thanks, Devanshi. That's the point, that the music helps. So I realized that, when I stop talking, there's a lot of background fan noise. That's all I can hear. How is your mandala work going, Devanshi? Thank you, Ashna. Aisa Wellness is coming up with an amazing program for children and parenting. You guys can check out her page as well. We work with them for our chakra balancing workshop through art. I hope you all can see the difference 5 minutes before to now. Can anybody let me know if there is any difference or it's still looking the same? Anytime. Okay, we can still add more layering if we have the time, but I also have another webinar that I need to attend at 10, so I don't know if I'll do that, but I'll be able to do more. Thank you so much. Yes, so the whole point of doing the pen work is to get the sharpness and the effect that it's a 3D structure, which had gone away. No, when we do the painting, it goes away. But now once we do it with the pen again, each crystal stands out. Oh, that's good, Devanshi. That's really nice to hear. But I will still love your mandala work foremost. Honestly, because it takes so much patience. My wife does really good mandalas. She is also a very patient person, but I don't have that kind of patience. Thank you, Vidhi, for staying for the live today. I hope everybody is good, doing well at home. So pretty much towards the end of our painting, guys. Everybody is doing well on my side too. What you can do is take a little yellow if you want and just put in the flowers. Not required. Just a little stroke. Something in the background if you want to do. Like, again, this is not required, but just a little color if you want to add. Add some places, okay? Don't add too much. I've taken a little yellowish because it's bright. And it won't take away the look of the painting. Thank you, Vidhi. So I am finally following my passion after school. Vidhi is my school classmate, so she's seen me years and years back. Thanks, Tanvi. So you guys can see I'm just giving a little effect here and there just to add a little more depth, okay? Nothing else. back in school, art was one of my, of course, I think favorite subjects since I don't know when. And then 10th came in and studies and studies, and we tend to forget our basic hobbies. Academics became the most important thing. How is the painting looking, guys? Any recommendations, any suggestions? It's adding a little blue here since I feel like. So see how I do the background is just to put the flower, give it a little background effect so that this flower, since it's white, it just has some background against it. Guys, we put a lot of effort in our lives also. I hope you all can appreciate that. I have always tried to teach even in all our lives. Please do tell your friends. That's the only thing we're asking. So that's it. That's today's painting. Crystals and flowers. Pretty satisfied with the result. You guys like it? Did you all enjoy the live? Thank you, Vidhi. Thank you, Cutie. Thank you, Devanshi. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Ruchi. So I hope you guys. Thank you, Devanshi. Thank you, Swati. That's very kind of you. Please do tell your friends. Please put up this live on your stories. Just tag us. It's a big appreciation for all of us. Thanks, Didi. Did you see the live or did you just enter? Thank you, Rutuja. So that's it for today. And we are getting disconnected, so perfect time. Take care, guys. Goodbye. Have a good night. And I'll see you all on Thursday, probably at 9 p.m. Let's see what I come up with. Bye, Chandi. Bye, Kashmir.